Both shots struck Mr. Kasich. Both entered from the rear of his body, consistent with what was at the scene. She's charged with criminal homicide, which is generally what's charged when a life is taken without justification. Obviously, we don't live in a vacuum. We know what's going on in this country in the last year regarding police use of force incidents. This is a tragedy for all involved. Mr. Kasich lost his life. I met with members of his family yesterday to inform them of our decision. Officer Merkel, by all accounts, has been a distinguished member of the Hummelstown Police Department. So this is certainly a tragedy all around.